Hey everyone! Have you noticed how viral videos with jaw-dropping effects are taking social media by storm? One effect that's been blowing up lately is the Venom transformation effect. It's everywhere, adding a dramatic, symbiote-like twist to videos. Now, with Pixverse 3.5, you can create that exact effect and so much more. This latest version isn't just about the Venom effect, it's packed with brand new visual effects and tools to help you make stunning, shareable content in minutes. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, stick around because today I'll show you how to unlock the full potential of Pixverse 3.5. Let's dive in. Pixverse 3.5 brings an expanded range of VFX effects to elevate your creativity. It also enhances the text-to-video and image-to-video features, delivering smoother motion and greater coherence compared to previous versions. Additionally, it introduces powerful transition effects specifically designed for hybrid animal transformations, ensuring seamless and visually striking scene changes that bring your creations to life. So, without hesitation, sit back, relax, and let's dive into everything Pixverse 3.5 has to offer. Let's start with the effects. First, let's explore the incredible effects Pixverse provides. We'll begin by trying the muscle surge effect. Simply click on the effect, upload your image, and then hit Create. Watch as Pixverse works its magic. Now, let's check out the final result. Wow, it's fantastic. Next, let's move on to text to video. Enter your text into the prompt box. Select the desired duration and ratio, and click Create. Once again, Pixverse does its magic. Let's take a look at the final result. It's absolutely amazing. Now, let's try out animation. Pixverse offers a variety of animation styles to choose from. We've prepared some images in advance. First, upload an image and select one of the animation styles, then click Create. Now, let's check out the final result. Lastly, let's touch on transitions. While transitions were included in our previous videos, we won't be demonstrating them today. And there you have it. With Pixverse 3.5, creating viral videos with effects like the Venom transformation has never been easier. From leveraging powerful tools like text-to-video and image-to-video to applying brand new VFX and exporting your creation, this tool gives you everything you need to shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your amazing videos. Until next time, keep creating.